Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. If we put number 0 going here, here, we will have about 0 over 0. So we need to use about L hospital. That means we do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So about this one, we apply about the product rule of derivative. So we do first derivative of s squared multiplied by cosine s. Later that we do first derivative of cosine s multiplied by s squared. This one we have about 4e to the power of 4s minus 4. This one we have 2s. This one we have negative sine s. So if we put number 0 going here, and here, we still about 0 over 0. So we use about L hospital. So we do first derivative in here. So we do first derivative on numerator. First derivative of s, we have number 1. First derivative of cosine s, we have negative sine s. First derivative of this one, we have cosine s. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s. This one, we will have about first derivative of e to the power of 4s, we have 4e to the power of 4s, and we have another number 4 in here. So we have 16e to the power of 4s. This one you got 0 because first derivative of the number you have 0. So we put number 0 going here. And we have the final answer. So this one we have 0, 0, and 0. This one we have 2 multiplied by number 1, 16 with number 1. So we have 2 over 16 and we have 1 over 8. This is the end. Thank you for watching.